Hey everyone! In today's video, we will show you how to practice trading on Tradingview. If we want to improve our trading skills without risking our accounts, practicing on Tradingview is a great option. Tradingview is a widely used cloud-based chart platform and social network, with over 60 million traders and investors analyzing global financial markets. It provides advanced technical analysis tools, customizable charts, and real-time data for stocks, crypto, forex, and futures. We can share trading ideas, use community-built indicators through Pine Script, and paper trade to improve our strategies. The main goal of Tradingview is to help traders and investors analyze markets, find trading opportunities, and make better decisions. It offers powerful tools, indicators, alerts, screeners, and features to track price movements across different markets. If we want to learn, we will guide you through each step. Follow along with us. Even if you are new, you can join us. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com and log into your account. Logging in is important, so all your data will be saved. Let's get started. This is Tradingview. On the main page, we can view major stocks, futures, and forex. Now let's go to the charts. To view charts, go to the upper part of the page. You will see products and super charts. This is where market activity happens. We can see profits, losses, values, and listed stocks. We can set up everything here. At the top, you will find the indicators, alerts, and tools you need. Take some time to explore and get comfortable with all the features. On Tradingview, we can practice trading using paper trading. This lets us trade without real money, so there is less emotion and less stress. Practice your skills with paper trading. To start, click Trade Now. A pop-up window will appear on the middle right side of the screen. Here, we can place buy or sell orders, set our price, choose the number of shares, and set exit profit or exit loss amounts. This way, we do not have to watch every trade all the time. We can also add stocks to our watch list. Just get familiar with these features. After filling out the forms and choosing your markets, you can place your buy or sell orders. Remember, our goal is to become consistent. The more we practice, the better we will understand the indicators and our own trading habits. Take your time with trades and do not rush the process. Every mistake helps us learn. If you found this helpful, keep practicing on Tradingview. Define your strategy and build your skills, whether you use real money or not.